Hey tech enthusiasts, we've got Apple buzzing in the news for a couple of really intriguing reasons today. Let's dive in. First up, we're looking at the classic rivalry. It's Apple versus the rest of the tech hardware gang. It turns out that Apple's stock situation is quite the mixed bag. The analysis done by Benzinga breaks down Apple along its financial metrics and key industry metrics, painting quite the picture. So here's the lowdown. Apple's trading as snug as a cat in a sunbeam, with a price-to-earnings ratio that sits slightly below the industry average, suggesting it's potentially undervalued. While Apple's revenue growth is currently experiencing a bit of a snooze fest compared to its peers, its return on equity is dancing circles around the industry average. Not to mention, Apple is boasting juicy profitability metrics with an EBITDA that's sky high. But wait, there's more. Those juicy stats come with caution, as the company's price-to-book and price-to-sales metrics hint that people see its assets and sales in a flattering light. Jumping over to the actual boots-on-the-ground news, Apple's shaking things up in the manufacturing world. Yup, AirPods are catching a flight to India. The shift of AirPods production to the Indian shores is another step in Apple's global shuffle of its manufacturing footprint. Starting in early 2025, Foxconn is revving up its motors in Hyderabad, with Apple already testing the assembly lines. This move is part of Apple's grand scheme to spread its manufacturing roots beyond China, with India stretching out a welcoming hand with government subsidies that are too good to resist. And while it's blazing some trails in India, Apple's retail ambitions in the country are equally delightful. With successful retail outlets bustling with customers in Delhi and Mumbai, new stores are on the horizon in Bengaluru, Pune, and more. Exports? Oh yes, they're on the upswing too, with iPhone exports hitting a sweet $6 billion mark. Apple clearly didn't just dip its toes in the Indian tech scene. It looks like it cannonballed right in. So, what do you tech fans think? Is Apple cruising at a smooth pace towards global domination, or are there storm clouds ahead? Do you think its pricing metrics are setting the stage for a spectacular rise, or is this a case of fashion over substance? And how do you feel about Apple's strategic pivot to India for AirPods production? Drop me your insights in the comments below. Let's get chatting. I'm all ears, or should I say AirPods, and eager to hear what you've got to say. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.